Gemar Anti heat coating application procedure. First step, clean the surface with the cleaning solution. When needed, sand the surface with a 2000 grit sandpaper. Next, wipe the surface with a clean and dry rug. Third step, use alcohol and rug to clean the surface. Next is to apply the tape. Then, prepare the applicator. As well as the coating. Seventh step, apply on the glass. Polish using a new applicator. Lastly, clean the edges with an alcohol. Provides 97% heat rejection. Gemar Anti heat coating, exclusively distributed by Gemar International Philippines Corporation.